guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will test together the Soph X eyeshadow palette, and this is a collaboration with the YouTuber Soph Does Nails but Not Anymore and the makeup company Makeup Revolution London, and they came up with this little palette here that contains 24 eyeshadows. 14 eyeshadows are matte and 10 eyeshadows are shimmery. It also contains a very good quality mirror, very big and very clear, and the price of it is €11.49. I got mine from cosmeticforless.de. I was inspired from the fun colors of this eyeshadow palette and I decided to do a spring makeup eye look. If you're interested to see how to do this makeup look, just keep on watching. As you can see, we have a lot of colors, 24 eyeshadows, and I want to do something with these two eyeshadows here. Oh my god, they look amazing. The matte sheets are not powdery and they swatch really good. I'm so excited about this palette. We have a very nice eyeshadow for brow bone highlighter here. I'm so excited. It is called Fairy Lights. Oh, I love the shade. I will start with this shade first. I will take an eyeshadow brush by Essence and I will take the eyeshadow Fairy Lights and I will apply it for my brow bone highlighter. Oh, I like it. Okay, for me that's a winner. And I also blend it all over my brow bone to have everything very blended, you know me. After that, I will take an eye blender brush by Essence and the eyeshadow Coupa T, and I will apply it into my crease. I will also blend it towards my brow bone and a little bit outwards, and this will be our base for all the other colors that I will apply in the crease. As you can see, this is a little bit powdery. It's so easy to blend this eyeshadow and it looks very nice. I apply a second layer of this eyeshadow and it is very buildable and blendable. I like it. It is very easy to blend the eyeshadow and I don't have any fallouts and I like it. After that, I will take a blender brush by Maybelline. I have seen this brush from a video that Tati did with her favorite affordable brushes, and we have Maybelline because I live in Germany and I thought I could give it a try, and this brush costs only €2.95, so let's see if it will work. So I will take eyeshadow Pumpkin and I will apply it closer into my crease. With the brush by Maybelline, I have a very nice diffused application into my crease, but I want to make the eyeshadow a little bit more intense, so I will use my 225 Luxe Eye Blender brush by Zoeva and I will try to apply it again in the same way and make the color more intense. Yeah, this is how I want it. And as we can see, I don't have any fallouts and I love that. I am applying a second layer of this eyeshadow to see if it is buildable. And as we can see, we can build the color and the intensity very easy. After that, I will take eyeshadow Danger and I will apply it in my outer crease, and I will use again my Luxe Eye Blender brush by Zoeva. This color looks lovely. I will try to intensify a little bit more my inner crease with eyeshadow Pumpkin so that when I cut the crease, it will look extra crisp and intense. Next, I'm taking the brush 221 Look Soft Crease brush by Zoeva and I am taking again the eyeshadow Kappa T and I blend again a little bit the edges so that everything will be very nice and blended. Now it's time to cut the crease. I will do a half cut crease and I will use the Stay All Day 16-Hour Long Lasting Concealer by Essence in the color Soft Beige. I will apply it on my eyelid with the brush 51 by Kiko Milano and try to apply a lot of product on your brush from both sides, especially at the edges of the brush. As you can see, this brush is getting very thin at the edges, and this is what you want for cutting your crease. After that, I take a clean brush by Urban Decay. This is a brush that I got with Nocturnal Shadow Box, and I will blend the edges Next, I'm taking a clean eyeshadow brush and the eyeshadow Fairy Light, and I will apply it in the center of my cut crease. After that, I will take another eyeshadow brush by Essence and the eyeshadow Cloudberry, and I will apply it in my inner corner and outer corner of my eyelid. And I'm also blending it into the eyeshadow that we used before. I will apply a little bit more of the Fairy Lights in the center of my eye to make it pop. I will clean my brush and then I will blend the two colors together. I want to make my crease a little bit crispier and to intensify the line. So I will take eyeshadow Danger and an eyeliner brush by Sigma. This is E65, and I will apply it where I want to make my crease crispier, and I will also blend it upwards. I blend the edges with Luxe Eye Blender brush by Zoeva with no additional product. I blend the edges very lightly. Next, I'm taking the Luxe Soft Crease brush by Zoeva and the eyeshadow Coupa T that we used first in our crease, and I will blend the edges. For my lower lash line, I will use the same small angle brush by Sigma, the E65, and I will take again Danger and I will apply it all over my outer lower lash line. And afterwards, I will take eyeshadow Cloudberry and I will apply it into my inner lower lash line. I will take my small smudging brush by Urban Decay and I will clean it on a tissue, and after that, I will blend the edges of my lower lash line with no additional product. Next, I will take a pencil brush by Morphe Brushes and the eyeshadow Fairy Lights, and I will apply it into my inner corner. For eyeliner, I will use liquid liner by Catrice Cosmetics in Dating Joe Black. In my waterline, I will apply a nude eye pencil. For mascara, I will use the Superhero Mascara by It Cosmetics. And for the lips, I will use by Kiko Milano the creamy lipstick in number 4. This eyeshadow palette is vegan, cruelty-free and also gluten-free. I like the packaging of the palette because I can see that they have tried to make it look more sleek and elegant, and also this is an affordable palette. It contains a very clear mirror. It is €11.49 and also it contains 24 eyeshadows. I like that the edges are soft, the eyeshadow palette is very well made and it is firm. Basically, we have all the colors that we need. We have a white eyeshadow, a black eyeshadow too, and I always like having a black eyeshadow, some brown shades, a lot of crease colors, fun colors, shimmery eyeshadows. Look what we have by Maybelline. This has a lot less eyeshadows and face products, and it costs €12.95. It doesn't contain a mirror, and I have a review about this palette. I will link it down below. The names of the eyeshadows come on a plastic sheet, and I don't mind that because it is a very affordable eyeshadow palette. For example, Vizart is a $49 eyeshadow palette. You get 9 eyeshadows with this palette, you get less product, less colors, and also a plastic sheet. For this one, I didn't like it because it is more expensive. I think that they did a very nice job with the packaging and also with the variety of the eyeshadows. The eyeshadows that I have used on my eyes, they blended so effortlessly, and they are buildable, blendable, and pigmented. They are a little bit powdery when you touch your brush in the eyeshadows, but it's something very minimal. If you just tap the excess off, you will not have fallout from the eyeshadows on your under eye area. As we can see, I don't have any weird patches of colors from the eyeshadows. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you want me to do more makeup looks with this eyeshadow palette, and let me know in the comments below if you have already tested these eyeshadows and if you like them. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!